Hey guys, welcome back. Jubai Keys live on Binance Academy. So we'll be looking at what is Algorand. So we're talking about Algorand here. So I believe most people are familiar with the term Algorand or ALGO token. So we want to review this article to see what it has to talk about this and token. So basically, Algorand was founded in 2017 before launching its mainnet and ALGO token in June 2019. The blockchain deals with the common scalability and consensus mechanism issues common to first and second generation blockchain. So Algorand's main feature is its pure proof of stake consensus protocol that randomly selects validators rated by their staked algo coin. So users who stake their algo have the chance of being selected to propose and validate a new block, which is then verified by a randomly selected committee. Once the block is added to the blockchain, all transactions are considered confirmed. If the block is deemed bad, a new user is selected as a validator, and the process starts again. The system's main strength is decentralization of power, and as every single staker has a chance to be a validator. So apart from the consensus, Algo is also used for network transaction fees and to earn block rewards. So if you want to buy or sell Algo, you can easily do so through the Binance's convert feature or exchange view. So apparently, this is an introduction. It says Algorand is a fairly new blockchain focused on improving scalability without sacrificing decentralization. So this problem is common to many of the first and second generation blockchains such as Bitcoin and Ethereum. To achieve this, Algorand developed perhaps its most notable feature, the pure proof of stake (PPOS) consensus mechanism. So along with its passive staking, both of these features have made Algorand a large market cap project popular with users seeking rewards. Now, looking at what Algorand is Algorand is a blockchain network project founded in 2017 by Professor Silvio Micheli, a computer scientist from MIT. The mainnet network launched in June 2019 along with its native cryptocurrency, ALGO. So, as mentioned, the blockchain focuses on improved scalability and also supports smart contracts. The Algorand network is a public decentralized pure proof of stake blockchain with support for customized layer 1 blockchains. This can be used to create blockchains tailored for specific uses. The project claims its technology is particularly useful for financial services, so decentralized finance, DeFi, fintech, and institutions. Now, looking at the Algorand Foundation, it says the Algorand Foundation is a non-profit organization launched in 2019 that funds and develops the Algorand network. It also carries out important work in the blockchain's community research and governance. For example, the foundation has educated developers in universities, supported Algorand projects in its ecosystem with accelerator program. However, technical development is carried out on a private company, Algorand Incorporated. The Algorand Foundation is also a large holder of Algo, which it uses to fund its activities. Now, looking at the working method of the Algorand, it says that Algorand uses the pure proof of stake consensus mechanism, allows it to process many transactions quickly without sacrificing decentralization, which is a very notable feature. The proof of stake blockchains are scalable but often at the small cost of a number of validators. However, large stakes dominating block approvers. A proof of work has the same issue as large mining pools almost always win the race to create new blocks. So in contrast, Algorand's pure proof of stake consensus makes the choose validators and block proposals randomly from anyone who has staked and generated a participation key. The chance of being chosen is directly related to the proportion of the participant stake of the overall amount. So those are some of the perks you want to note. As the proposal step, say once users have staked and generated their participation key, they become participation nodes. Communication between these nodes happens through Algorand relay node. So the block proposal phase then selects multiple block proposals using a verifiable or random function VRF. So considering the proportion of each validator stake, so once block proposers are chosen, the identity is kept secret until the new block is proposed. So these are some of the features you want to know. There's also the soft vote stage on Algorand. There's also the certified vote stage. Looking at what is Algorand, Algorand is a native coin of Algorand, has a maximum supply of 10 billion coins to be distributed by 2030. The new algo is sent to specific algo holding wallets with each newly forged block. you need to hold at least one algo in a non-custodial wallet to receive these algo rewards. But this reward can generate an APY of around 5 to 8% for algo holders. So the Algo app is apparently Algo wallet app is available on Play Store, so you can easily download it. Get You can buy Algo tokens from let's say Binance, send them over to your Algo wallet, and from there this APY will be activated. So that's basically how it works. So for each Algo you have on your Algo wallet, you get to earn additional interest or APY, which is calculated on a daily basis, on an hourly basis, or a 24-hour basis. So distributed roughly every 10 minutes. Okay, so those are some of the is a passively staked token. It gives users a passive income. So looking at Argo's use cases, Argo can be used to pay transaction fees on Algorand network. Compared to networks like Ethereum and Bitcoin, Algorand has minimal fees. As of January 22, cost only 0.0014 per transaction. So Algo can be staked to have a chance of being selected as a block proposer or validator. Cannot be held in non-custodial wallets or any rewards with every block that is successfully added to the chain. So these are some of the perks. Now looking at how to buy Algo, one can having your Binance account, you can decide to use your credit or debit card. You can also log in or use like the P2P section where you buy a stablecoin and you go over to the trading pairs on Binance, and you can able to swap these tokens for Algo. You can also use the bank deposits, P2P trading, or third-party payments if it is available to you. So those are some of the perks you want to note. So it says here, this is a demo showing USD or BUSD transactions, recurring buying, and more. You can just choose or select the payment method you want to utilize by through your credit card or your debit card. Then you go over to the convert section after you're done buying that. Easiest way to convert. Then you can now swap these tokens that you successfully bought. Let's say you bought BUSD, so you convert the BUSD that you bought to Algo tokens. So once you do that, it's going to show you that sufficient balance is on your account. So this is a scenario if you do not have a BUSD. Well, if you do have BUSD, it's going to be showing you if you should confirm the transaction. You can now click on confirm. You can also trade through the classic or advanced exchange view. These are a view on pairs of available on Algo. Then for selling Algo, you can decide to convert Algo back to stablecoin. You can also convert it back, or you can decide to convert it to stable coins and also go over to the P2P section and sell them, or convert Algo to any of the pairs that they have on the Binance platform. So in conclusion, like other alternative blockchains to BTC and ETH, Algorand has focused heavily on scalability and decentralization. This pure proof of stake consensus mechanism provides a unique solution with VRFs, and many find this blockchain technology attractive for its success in decentralization power. So that's all, guys. Your boy Key. Stay tuned for more. Peace out. I'm dropping a link in the description box so you can get access to more. Uh, don't forget to subscribe, guys. Peace out. More love.